Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over at our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We're back out here with another update on our project that is nearing completion in downtown Kansas City. We took a quick look in here on Friday. The crew was finishing up the application of our high-strength concrete mortar to the stone foundation wall above the nice newly rebuilt wall that we've done here. So this room is ready to paint. We'll probably be getting to that tomorrow to finish everything up. We've also started the application of the mortar for our stone foundation renovation in this first room down here in the cellar. So you can see we have this back wall to do, and then this wall will get mortared up today. And then we have the two walls here lining the stairs, so we'll get that done as well. And then should be dry enough tomorrow to start painting with that white Drylock waterproofing paint, and really put the finishing touches on the transformation down here inside the basement. We're also going to again get a couple. Probably the last thing that we're going to do once the walls and everything are finished up is take care of the sections of the floor that we're going to be replacing with high-strength concrete. So we're going to make sure all the walls are done, any kind of interior supports are done. We're going to make sure the floors, the joists here are perfectly level, and as we're getting ready to finish this up, we'll make sure that the floor is broken up and we get a nice new high-strength concrete floor down here in this cellar. We'll take a quick look at a couple little miscellaneous things we're going to be doing down here. We're going to be doing some reframing on this door. It doesn't currently close. We're going to replace this opening hatch right here with some better treated wood. Really make sure that's looking nice and neat. Got a couple sections that we're going to be patching out here on the back side of the house. We got this section right here. Small spot in the driveway that we're going to get taken care of. And then we'll move to the front real quick. Just some minor tuck pointing we're going to be doing out here on the front of the house. You can see there's a lot of stone that's come loose from the walls here. So we're going to really touch these up, make them look nice. We're going to touch up a lot of the concrete areas here that are broken up. Section of the stair here that we need to patch. But yeah, just some minor tuck pointing to finish everything up. Shouldn't take that long, but yeah, that is pretty much it for down here in Kansas City. So again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels, King Piers LLC. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.